Welcome to Digital Nikitha. In today's video, we'll talk about how to add social media icons to your WordPress navigation menu. Let's get started. Open your WordPress dashboard. On the left side, you will see the Plugins option. Click on it, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Menu Image and press Enter. Find the Menu Image plugin, install it, and then click Activate. A pop-up will appear. You can click Skip if you like. Go to Appearance and then click Menus. Scroll down until you see Custom Links and click on it. For example, enter YouTube in the link text field and your YouTube URL in the URL field. Click Add to Menu. Hover over the newly added menu item and you'll see an option for menu image. Click on it. Click Icon and select the icon you want to upload, then click Save Changes. Now you can see our icon is ready, but it still shows the title. Let's learn how to hide the title. Go back to Menus. Click on the Menu Image option for your menu item. You will see a title position setting. Click Hide, then click Save Changes. And that's it. Your social media icon should now be visible in the navigation menu without any titles. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon for more updates.